Sunshine, so today we're unboxing my January Stitch Fix. So this first piece are the Vigos Aline Distressed Girlfriend jean in a size 18W. Cost is $78. I really like the fit of these jeans in the waist and the butt. However, my only complaint is I feel like when I told Stitch Fix that I wanted ankle length jeans, Stitch Fix was like, she actually wants capri jeans and she just doesn't know it. And I was like, not really. Like, I want ankle length. So I don't like the length of these jeans. Like they're just a little too short for me. And I don't know, I do feel like they're overpriced. I feel like Fashion Nova is really the place to go. Like, that's where I found the most success with jeans. This next piece is this Active Zone JC Split Hem Performance top in a size 2X for $32. Now, when I asked for my January Stitch Fix, I asked for my stylist to send me a splash of pink. I asked for glitter. I asked for animal patterns. And so this top I didn't ask for. I don't really want activewear in my boxes. So, like, I mean, I don't hate this shirt. It's a fun shirt, but my stylist was like, wear this shirt to lounge around in the house. And I'm like, okay, but for $32, I also know I could find, like, this exact top, if not something very similar, at Walmart for like no more than $15. This is a little bit see-through, which I was kind of surprised by because I've never really had that problem with activewear tops being see-through. I like the length, I love the color pink, but I just don't really feel like that fits me like in my sense of fashion at all. This next piece is the Emery Park Dolce short sleeve knit top. I like this. I feel like this is the like most me piece. This is in a size 2X, runs for $34. Like, I don't know. I'm not happy with this month's Stitch Fix whatsoever. I'm really disappointed in it, actually. Like, Dia & Co. always does such a poor, crappy job with their boxes, and I'm not ever really impressed with the entirety of the box. But with Stitch Fix, they always end up saving the day. But this month, the roles were reversed. Stitch Fix box did not impress me whatsoever, but the Dia & Co. box, like, blew me out of the water. This top, honestly, I was like, okay, this is not something that I asked for, but maybe it was something that I needed. It's very different. This is the Jack's Girlfriend Normie 2 pocket button top in a size 2X for $58. On camera, it's coming up more of like a dark red, at least from my apparent vision of it, but in person, it's more of a dark pink. I don't know, like, I don't feel like this shirt fit me exceptionally well. I did enjoy tying this top. However, Stitch Fix says that the jeans that they sent me this month were high-waisted, and so they recommended buttoning this shirt, like, up on my waist because the jeans were high-waisted. However, like, these jeans came just, like, right above my belly button. They're not really what I would define as high-waisted because that's where I wear most of my jeans. I don't hate the shirt. It's definitely outside of my comfort zone, which I want to be pushed. Like, I really want to be pushed outside of my comfort zone. But I don't know. Like, I don't really feel like there was anything in this box that I could create a complete outfit with. This last piece, this is the pop of pink that I received. These are the Mia Christie Scallop Flats in a size 8.5 for $49. I marked down in my box that I have wide feet, and I can't really ever find flats because of my wide feet, and these were very thin, narrow flats that didn't really work with my feet whatsoever. So honestly, this month's Stitch Fix kind of really sucked and really flopped. I didn't really like any of the pieces in here, but I would love to hear what you guys think in the comment section down below. I can't wait to hear from you guys. I love you so much, and I'll see you in my next video.